Seth, your Detail Doc Ceramic Coating Specialist. Today I'm going to show you guys how to quickly and easily clean your wheels. So take a look at these wheels. They're not too terrible, just a little bit dirty. First things first, you're going to start by rinsing them down. Just like that. And this is an iron remover. What it does is it bonds to the iron fallout that's stuck on the wheel that can come from brake dust and off of the road. We're going to use this because we're going to put a coating on the wheels later. So this is a deep clean. We're going to spray it into the barrels and onto the face. And in this bucket here, I have a bunch of different brushes. This is a easy detail brush, some wheel brushes, some detail brushes. I just have it in this bucket with some grit guards. I'm gonna grab this guy, hit the wheel barrels, just get in there. Just like that. And if your wheels are really dirty and contaminated, the iron remover will turn purple. And after that, I'm gonna grab this wheel brush. If your wheels are like a gloss black wheel, you're gonna wanna use a wash mitt because they can scratch really easily. All I'm doing is I'm just getting the bulk of the wheel, getting all the cracks and crevices. Like that. I'm gonna grab this detail brush. I'm just gonna hit the lug nuts. And any of the tighter spoke areas around the valve stem, any of the tight areas that I might have missed with the bigger brush. Just like that. Then rinse it off. And then if you want to hit the tires, just get your all-purpose cleaner, spray it on the tire. These tires aren't that dirty. You just soft brush here, just scrub the tire down.